Hi, I'm Clara and I'm here to show you the steps to creating the Scratch project that goes along with Unit 2, Week 5, and that is where do animals live together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go onto your Clever account. When your Clever account loads, you're going to see a day of code little section, and you're going to click on Scratch Coding. And you can create your own account, but I'm just going to show you how to create a project. I'm already logged on one of my students' account, but all you're going to have to do is just click on the tab that says Create. When you go onto the Creating, it's going to take you to your Scratch. So this is your working pad, and what you're going to do is you are first going to delete your sprite. So this is the Scratch Cat. It always comes up whenever you open a new project. So you're just going to click the trash button. First you're going to choose your backdrop. So we're learning about different animal habitats. So we read a story about babies in the bayou, but we are extending this to other animals in different habitats. So we are going to click on the Arctic background. Then we're going to add our sprite. We can click on animals, and I am going to choose a penguin. You could choose two types of penguin. There's like more realistic and there's more cartoony. It doesn't matter, whichever one you choose. So I'm going to choose the more realistic one. I let my students decide what they're going to choose. So now that my sprite is highlighted, I can code it. So first I'm going to go to controls, actually events, I'm so sorry. Then I'm going to go to when flag clicked, and then I'm going to go to looks. The penguin is going to say hello for 2 seconds. Let's just see if that makes sense. There you go. And then I'm going to make it say hello again, but this time I'm going to put I am a penguin. And it's going to hold that for 2 seconds. Let's just check if it works. Awesome. Then I'm going to click my next block, and I'm going to put I am a dad penguin, and I sit on the egg. I'm going to hold that for 3 seconds. So let's see what it looks like. And then my last block can say, this is how I protect my baby. And the whole time that I am allowing the students to do this, I make sure that they use student spelling. I'm not looking for, correct spelling. I do model this for them, but if they spell things incorrectly, it's okay. I'm just looking, are they having proper grammar? Are they having proper sentence structures, capitals in the beginning, punctuation at the end. And at the end, I go to looks, and I go all the way down, and right here it says hide, and then the penguin will disappear after he says, this is how I protect my baby. So now we're going to go and we're going to check it again. So it says, hello, I am a penguin. I'm a dad penguin, and I sit on the egg. This is how I protect my baby. And then it disappears. And those are the steps to creating a Scratch project that correlates with your Wonders unit. Thank you for watching my screencast, and I hope you have a great day.